Drinking just 1 cup of this drink will help you lose belly fat in 1 week. Belly fat is not only an aesthetic issue, it is a harmful fat and can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. That's why today I'm here to share with you a home remedy that is very effective in reducing your belly fat. After that 1 week, you will be amazed with the results. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this week's recipes, natural ingredients available in the country. Then, click to the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell in order not to miss our next videos. The first ingredient of this recipe is spinach. Spinach, in fact, is one of the best options on any weight loss plan. It is low in calories, very low in fats, and out of the 1.09 gram of carbs, 0.66 gram is fiber, which is a weight loss friendly component. Besides, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals. It is the best option for restrictive diets, as it doesn't significantly add to your daily caloric intake by ensuring that you won't fall victim to nutrient deficiencies. So, spinach ensures that you lose weight in a healthier way without wreaking havoc on your body. Now, cut spinach into a cup until it's full. Pour 1 cup of spinach into a blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is banana. Despite being high in calories, bananas are a great flat belly fruit. They are rich in healthy fibers that help curb your appetite and make your body burn fat. Bananas are also rich in resistant starch, a type of indigestible carbohydrate that helps block the carbohydrates from being absorbed by the body. This makes the body burn fat as energy instead of the carbohydrates. Besides, thanks to their thick peel, bananas typically carry very few pesticide residues compared to other fruits and veggies. This is good news for your health and weight loss. Experts say that consuming pesticide can cause weight gain because it is likely the toxins, which are stored in fat cells after consumption and interfere with the energy burning process. Now, take 1 banana and peel it. Then, cut the banana into small pieces. Put the banana into the blender. Next, you need to prepare cheeses. These tiny white and black seeds are great for you to lose weight and reduce belly fat since they have a lot of fiber content. A good fiber content helps regulate digestion, move toxins and excess fat away from your body, and can also keep you feeling fuller. Cheeses also score relatively high on antioxidants and omega-3 content, which help fight bad fat, keep the heart healthy, and fight free radicals in the body. It also contains zero cholesterol, which is a great way to keep extra weight under control. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cheeses into the blender. The last ingredient of this recipe is papaya. Papaya is rich in fiber, and as mentioned earlier, increasing intake of fiber can help you cut down your belly fat effectively. Additionally, papaya contains papain, a digestive enzyme that helps digest proteins. Protein is the king of nutrients when it comes to fat loss and weight loss. A high protein intake boosts the metabolism, reduces your appetite, and changes several weight-regulating hormones. Now, prepare 1 piece of papaya and peel it. Then, cut the papaya into small pieces and put them into a cup until it's full. Pour 1 cup of papaya into the blender. Then, add 1 cup of water. Run the blender and blend everything until smooth. Pour the drink into a cup and consume it immediately. To get the maximum slimming benefits of the drink, you should drink it every morning in 1 week. Then, maintain it twice or 3 times a week.